Well, hi, Ruben.
Hi, Josh. Hi, Josh. You're wearing the same clothes as last week.
That's what I wear every day. It makes no odds.
I'm wearing the same clothes too.
Yeah.
We've done that magic trick again where we've done 2 videos in one day.
No, I did my hair in the middle, so you might not be able to tell.
Oh, okay.
That was my plan, mate. See?
I like it. I like it. Good vibes. Pretty banging menu this week. We've got our most complicated pudding so far, although it's not complicated to put together. It's just got lots of ingredients. It's a bit Asian. It's delicious. I want to eat it already. Anyway, before further ado, Josh, what is on the menu?
Okay, so yeah, we've got a sort of Japanesey kind of, a little bit of South Korean influence going on. For the starter, we have got what they call korokke, which is kind of like a potato croquette with some mince going through it, but lots of Japanese flavours in there, soy and mirin and garlic and ginger. Yeah, that's the starter, with some mayonnaise, which is the white one, and some brown sauce, homemade brown sauce and homemade mayonnaise. Kind of just in Japan, you always get the mayonnaise and the brown sauce or tonkatsu sauce, sort of that you stripe over lots of things, and that's with kimchi, a little bit of sesame oil, and some spring onions.
Josh,
that is the starter. Yes.
What came first, the croquette or the korokke?
Probably the croquette, I would think. I guess. Okay, and then the main course, we have got basically yakisoba, which is like a fried noodle dish, with some purple sprouting broccoli, spring onions, chilies, coriander. Yeah, is what it is. And then we have this lovely teriyaki salmon. Yeah,
Tasty.
some sesame and some chili, and yeah, should be good.
Delicious. And then I think possibly Kelly's given me what might be my favourite pudding so far ever to date, but it might not be because
He says that most
I do. But this is totally my kind of vibes, man. We got like a matcha tea sponge on the base, and then there's basically a rhubarb full, topped with even more rhubarb, some meringue, and some more matcha powder. I can't wait to eat this. I'm pretty excited. Anyway, if you haven't done CSONS at home before, become a CSONS at homer today. Get online, csons.uk. You can order these 3 courses as a meal kit. They can either be delivered to your door anywhere in the country pretty much now, or we can have them ready for you to collect from either of our restaurants, either Shrewsbury or Ludlow. Anything else you want to say, Josh?
No, just order, enjoy it. It's going to be a good one.
See you next week, beautiful people. Stay safe. Remember, stay safe.